Everyone that bought a house in the last year or two, congratulations. Now let's talk about the dark side that your realtor and loan officer didn't mention. Before, you used to call someone to come and fix your toilet, the landlord. Do anything around the property, you call the landlord. Now, you are the landlord. You have to call somebody. And let's say hypothetically you moved into a new neighborhood. You don't know anybody. You're not the only one out there. You don't know how much to pay. You don't know the trade. You're probably for the first time you're going to get scammed left and right and be overcharged. And most of the time what happened, even in a situation like this, where you actually pay the contractor's deposit and then they walk away with your money and leaving you hanging up in the air. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let me introduce you to the AllBetter. This app allows you to post your job, just like sending a text message within 60 seconds or less. And then just name your budget if you have a price, or simply wait for contractors to give you what is fair price. You're going to get bids directly from the people that are doing the work. This isn't you looking up at Google search and calling some 800 numbers and landing into a telemarketing agency. The bids come directly from these contractors. All you have to do is just chat, pick whom you like, negotiate the price. Once it's all done, hit the hire button. And this is where you don't have to worry about them running away with your money. No funds gets exchanged till the work is done and completed to your satisfaction. You'll get an invoice at the end with pictures of the completed work to prove that the work is done, and then all you have to do is rate your experience and give the app the okay to release the fund. It's really that simple. Head over to allbetterapp.com, download the free app today, and start living stress-free, knowing that you have a 24/7 concierge app on the palm of your hands to fix any problem from house cleaning to roofing.